This is the elevator in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I believe this was originally either a K&H or a Haughton elevator or Westinghouse, but sadly modernized or just received a soft-on mod with Adams fixtures. But look at the beautiful and neat decoration on the door. This is originally a Westinghouse. I didn't see that at first. When I was in the basement, this thing has a really annoying fan. I think this was just a slap-on mod, probably back in the 90s. Here's the basement, up to 9. Hate the fan. Nothing old Haughton right there. This is probably manually controlled at one point. Here we go. We're stopping.
You can just take other people's things and go.
What floor?
Fine, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. The pause button works. Here at 9. This thing is rather vibrating. We'll go back down to 1. Pretty nice and basic at the same time. Same as the cab in the other building. Fake laminate wood and tile makes it look like marble and laminate makes it look like wood. Adams fixtures, sadly. There's the fan right there, a really annoying one. Go back at 1. I believe that's a monitor lantern, or it may just be a generic one. Of course, and that's going to be it. Take a look at the beautiful ornate decorations on the door.